Today we're going to be cooking, look what we've got, red split lentils. So we're going to cook a Tarka Dal, okay? It's a very simple Tarka Dal, no frills, all of you can do it. I've got a big shout out to my mate called Rob. He told me he cooked a dal with vegetables and it took him 6 hours. I don't know what he was cooking, he must have been cooking stones or something instead of dal. But Rob, this is for you, pal. You can do this very quickly, even with your one eye shut. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so we've got 2 cups of red split lentils, we've got 8 cloves of garlic, 1 medium onion, we've got half a teaspoon of turmeric, and we've got just over a little bit more than half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 bay leaves. I'm gonna cut the small onion. I've peeled it already. Just tiny, only just small. Don't need much of it. Just a little bit to put into the dal. Probably only going to just use half. There you go. The garlic here, I'll just cut them just roughly. It's not ready for later on for the tarka. They need to be fine. Just chunks of it is good. You need a lot of it, but this is what makes the tarka nice and tasty. You can garnish it with coriander. I will show you that afterwards, but there you go. Right, so now we've got that out of the way, what we're going to do is we're going to put the 1 cup of lentil, 2nd cup of lentil into this pan, and we're going to wash it under obviously the running tap for I reckon about 3 times to get rid of all the impurities. Right, now that I've washed it about 5 times, now it's the water is nice and clear, so you know the dal is washed thoroughly when the water is really clear. I've actually added 4 cups of water to 2 cups of lentils. I've put 4 cups in there. Now we're going to add the turmeric, the salt, bay leaves, and the onions. That's it. Put it straight into there. And now we're going to put it onto the fire for 20 minutes. We're going to boil that for 20 minutes. Just a little mix. On medium heat, leave it on there for 20 minutes, and you'll see the lentils soften up, and then we'll carry on to the next step. You can put the lid on it if you want, but I recommend don't put the lid on, because when it over boils, your cooker will get dirty. It's been 10 minutes now, 10-12 minutes, and look what's happened. The water's reduced and it's boiling. So carry on. Just give it a stir. Just be careful. Look what's happened. It does go over. Be careful your cooker doesn't get dirty. So keep an eye on it. Turn the heat down a little bit. 20 minutes now. You can turn the heat off. Look, it'll start sticking to the bottom. But look, the dal is all mushy now. That's perfect. That's what we need. You can turn the heat off, and we'll go to the next step. Now the lentils are done, we're going to fry the garlic. So just get a pan, small sort of sauce, a little frying pan, heat's on medium. Heat the pan up a little bit. Now you're welcome to add oil, like two tablespoons of oil or ghee. I'm going to add a big teaspoon of 1.5 teaspoon of ghee, which is clarified butter. You can add oil. You need this. This is the fragrant part of the lentils, yeah? Okay, the ghee is all melted. I'm going to ready to put the garlic in. Just test it with 1 garlic first. There we go. It's hot. Put that in. Get that all in there. Use this spoon is fine. Let that brown up. I'm not gonna put nothing else on there because this is like a no frills dal. So we're not gonna mess around, add lots of other things. For this is just simple dal for anyone to make it. I will do another different versions of dal, but this one's a straightforward one. Minimum ingredients needed. Anyone can make it. Isn't it? Proper chef. Woo! Right, there we are. Yeah, sort of golden brown now. Add it straight into here. Give that a mix. Add a bit more in there. Turn the heat off. Move that out of the way. There you go. Just give that a stir. Perfect. There you go. That's done. You can garnish it with some coriander if you like it, but my kids don't like coriander, so I'm not going to put it in there. But I'll just plate it up now, yeah? Here it is. I've just put some garnish with just a little bit of chili and one chili and some coriander. But this is a good time to, so if you now want to try it, if there's less salt, you can add some salt into the main saucepan and give it a stir. It'll be fine. I was just afraid to put too much salt in case once there's too much you can't take it out. When it's less you can add to it. So you can add to it now and just give it a stir. That'll be fine. So there you go. Simple no frills dal. Give it a try with rice or naan bread or roti. Perfect.